Sorry folks, thought my battery was okay. Looks like it was a little bit low. And so then we're going to press this down. I always like to slowly count to 10 while I'm pressing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Okay. And then with your pencil, please write your name at the top. I'm writing the word name. You're going to write your real name. And that's because in class we would do the same thing. Because if you were in class, you'd write your name, so if it ever falls out, we could return it to you. And then at the bottom, would you please make a numeral 1 and put a circle around it? That shows it's page 1. This is our physical map of South America. Mr. Jones will help you find the Amazon rainforest and the waters and the Campos Rose. Okay, then please turn to the next page. My book is folded, yours might not be. Right over here is where we're going to do the next page. The next page is another map. This is called a political map. It's the kind of map that has lines that shows the different nations or countries in the continent. That goes on the next page. Like before, would you please put a pencil mark around the border, the edge, with a big X in the middle, and then again, turning up your glue stick just a little bit, would you please go right on that line, around the edge and the middle. I'm going to put my paper down. It's easier to do that way. All the way around on your paper. And then, when your glue is on those lines, turn it over and put it this way. The shape of South America is a little bit like a triangle. It's wide at the top and narrow at the bottom. You can see. Then we're pressing down while we slowly count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And like before, at the top, please put your name in pencil at the top of your paper, and page number 2 in a bottom corner with a circle around it. That circle lets people know that we're not counting something on this page. It's just page number 2. Great. That's a political map, and Mr. Jones, I know, will work on that page. Please turn your page. Don't skip any pages, remember. You'll turn your page, and then on the back of that page, right over here, is where we'll put the next picture. The next picture is your art project. Art. The type of art you're going to do, I believe with Ms. Sorensen, is called a mola. It's a type. It's a type of art from South America. It's a fabric art. That page is going to go right here. Right here. Which means we're going to put your border line with pencil around it and a big X in the middle with your pencil. Twisting your glue stick just a little bit. And then on the lines, I'm going to put my paper down, on the lines, and then turning it over and pressing it down while we slow count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and it's sticking. You know to put your name at the top and then page 3 at the bottom. Name at the top and page 3 at the bottom. A mola. A mola. That's what this art will be. And Miss Sorensen will show you how to do that page. You have to write your name and page number. We have an empty page. I found a song, of course. It's a piggyback song. So the music comes from somewhere else, and the words come from somewhere else. That's going to go on this page here. There's a lot of words. I'll get you started on the song page today. Of course, we know to turn to the back. You know what to do by now. We use a pencil to make the border with a big X in the middle. And then turning our glue stick just a little bit, some more glue sticks out. And then I'm going to put it down. It's hard to do up like that in the air. And putting my glue on it. I turn my page around like this. I can tell it's the top when I look at the letters. Oops, let me move that over. Wasn't careful enough there. Yep. And then I'm rubbing this while I slow count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hold my book upside down. Yes, it fits. Pencil name at the top, and of course, page number 4 at the bottom. It's called The Rainforest Animals. The music sounds like this. You know that song? Take me out to the ball game. It's that music, but different words. And I'll sing it to you after we finish the pages. Thanks. Remember to write a numeral 4 at the bottom and put a circle around it so we know that's a page number. Then I'm going to turn that page. I'm not skipping any pages, and on the back of that one comes this page. It's the word work page. There's a small piece of paper, mine is not here at the minute, that looks kind of like those papers from North America with different pictures. Don't glue that in. That comes later. Mr. Jones or Miss Confer or Miss Sorensen will help you with that. This paper goes in like this, with words on one side and empty boxes on the other. You know, of course, what I'm going to say, so you can get started right now. That's your back of the paper, your perimeter. That's a math geometry word. We're going to learn that in about 2 months. Perimeter means the outside edge with the big X in the middle. And of course, glue stick ready. And then you're going to put your glue on the pencil line and on the big X. And then glue it down and slow count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Of course, it sticks. Name at the top. And page number 5 at the bottom. Our book is very ready for us today and for all the other teachers to come and find you have your book ready. with everything they need inside it already. Only one more thing to put on this last page. That's our book. I'm going to put a 6 on this page, just on the page right here. And then this book already has a border, so I'm just going to add my X in the middle. And then I can put glue on this one. And this one I want to press down a little bit more, because this is not just one page. This is several pages, so I'm going to put a little bit of extra glue on the back to be sure this is able to stick like I want it to. And then I'm going to put it right in the middle and press when I slow count to 20, because this is thicker paper. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We have our page number, but you do need your name on the top of that book. And that finishes putting all our pages in. Now we'll go back and we'll do a little bit of work on some of those pages. Going to go back and just check from the beginning. When we have our title page, that's where we wrote the word South America, and we started the Amazon rainforest vines. Then we had the physical map. Mr. Jones will help with that. But we can get started right now. Would you please get some blue, true blue, not turquoise blue. And would you please, around the outside border, would you color some of the ocean? On this side, on the west side, it's the Pacific Ocean. So would you do some Pacific Ocean blue on this side of your map? That means Mr. Jones, when he comes and sees this work, will already see you've begun. This side is the Pacific coast. This side touches the other ocean, called the Atlantic Ocean. Just like in the North America map, there was the Pacific coast, and then there's the Atlantic coast. I'm going to do some of it here. You might do some now and then some later too. That way he'll know you started with the coasts already. Blue around there. And then we'll help him by drawing our big plus symbol for the compass rose. We'll let him do the directions, but we'll get it started so he can just get started right away with the directions when he comes later. South America, physical map with the ocean and the compass rose. Let's do the same thing on the next page too. That will save him some time when he comes in next week to do that page. We'll get our blue crayon again, and we'll do the coast over here. It's okay if we go on top of those words. We have the Pacific coast over here, all the way down. This political map has words on it because it has the names of the countries that are in South America. And I'm going to go to the bottom. The south part of South America is near Antarctica. And then I'm going to come up on the other side, the eastern coast of South America. The eastern coast of South America touches the Atlantic Ocean. just like in the United States and with North America, there is Pacific coast in the west and the Atlantic coast in the east. So you might be continuing that now or doing more later. South America. We'll help Mr. Jones too and get started on the compass rose by making that big symbol, and then he and you can put the letters in later to show you know north, south, east, west. That's the political map for South America. When you're ready, you can then turn the page. And this is the Mola art. I'm going to help you write the word here. I'm going to pick 4 color markers. You can write in one color or with pencil, but I'm going to use 4 color markers because molas are beautiful, colorful fabric art. And so I want to write 4 different colors just to begin to get us started. Mola starts with an M. You can use the same color or you can use your pencil. I'm going to use a different color for each letter. Mo, mo, mo. You can hear the next letter's name in the sound it makes. Mo. That's an O. Mo. Mo, Yeah. You can hear the letter L saying its name sound right there. Mole, Mola, Sounds like it should be an O, like octopus. But it's actually an A. That's the name, Mola. The name of it is Mola. And Ms. Sorensen will tell you and show you beautiful examples of Mola art. M-O-L-A. And you can turn that page. And we're moving quickly, but we're just getting... Oh, it's the song page. Rainforest animals. Take me into the rainforest. Take me into the green. Show me the monkeys up in the trees. Show me the butterflies, parrots, and bees. Let me look, look, look for a tiger with coat of yellow and gold. For it's fun to see all the creatures our rainforests hold. That's a lot of words. Take me into the rainforest. Take me under the leaves. Lizards and pythons are on the ground. Sloths are hanging from trees upside down. Let me look, look, look for a toucan with beak of red, blue, and green. Yes, it's fun to see all the rainforest sights I've seen. That's a lot of good words. Would you take out your teacher red marker right now? Kindergarten red. And let's take a look at some words in the top right here. Take me, kindergarten word. Take me into the rainforest. Take me into the green. Show me the monkeys, here comes 3 words, up in the trees. We don't make one line even though there's 3 words in a row. We underline each one separately. Show me the butterflies, parrots, and bees. I chose this song because it has a great music, lots of facts and animal names in it. The name of the song is called Rainforest Animals. But look at how many kindergarten words. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 kindergarten words. Take me into the rainforest. Take me into the green. Show me the monkeys up in the trees. Show me the butterflies, parrots, and bees. I'm going to leave the rest because I have the feeling Miss Confer might be liking this part because it has so many animal names in it. And later you could even draw small pictures above some of the animal names. Okay, we have a little bit more to do before we leave today. The next page is a word work page, and I know another teacher wants to do that. But please let's turn to this page here. This is the student reader. I write a book for each continent we go to, which helps us to read real books. The name of this book is called This is South America by Kevin G. Gallagher. The pictures come from the internet, but I wrote the words. This is South America by Kevin G. Gallagher. And already I can see we need kindergarten red to underline the word is. And I want you to take out orange marker too. I'm going to teach you a first grade word. Because this word will be on each of the books we read, I think you should know that that word, this, gets an orange underlined. It's a first grade word, but we will see it and use it a lot. This is South America. And I do see some punctuation down there. Could you please make your 3 periods be purple? It's called an ellipse. It's actually on our computers. But it also means there's more coming. Not everything is finished yet. This is South America. Let's do the first page together. There's words missing. I left them out on purpose. There's a picture of the globe. Now you should have your pencil back and your purple crayon and your red crayon ready for the work we're going to do next. Markers can go away. So pencil, crayon, set. Okay. South America. It, one of 7 continents, our Earth. Word would fit there. South America. Yes, C. Good. I'm going to move this over a little bit so I can lean on that. Let's write the word C here. S. I'm going to use lowercase letters. You can use uppercase if you want to. I see South America. Then I see the punctuation right there. It, one of 7 continents, our Earth. It, word would fit there. It, one of 7 continents. It's a kindergarten word. Yes! Good, good, good. It is I-S. It is one of 7 continents, our Earth. It is one of 7 continents, kindergarten word. It is one of 7 continents. Yes! On, O-N. It is one of 7 continents on our Earth. Very good. I see another purple punctuation that we need to fix at the bottom over there. And let's read that page now. I see South America. It is one of 7 continents on our Earth. Now when I write these books, I purposely put lots of kindergarten words in them. Let's underline the ones we can see. There's the word I, and then there's the word see. I'm going to open my book so it's easier to lean on. There we go. Yeah, that's better. I see South America. It is one of 7 continents on. Yes, I did that on purpose. So there would be, that's how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kindergarten words on this page. I see South America. It is one of 7 continents on our earth. That's page 1. Other teachers will do the other pages, but we can look at them right now. Oh, there's the animal page. That you'll do on a different day with a different teacher. Thank you, everyone, for arriving in South America with me and spending the time to do the book setup and some of the work already. If you are ready, you can close your book, put it in a safe place so it will be ready for the next teacher who comes along to work with it with you. And as we go, I think I need to sing more. Take me into the rainforest, take me into the green. Show me the monkeys up in the trees. Show me the butterflies, parrots, and bees. Let me look for a tiger with coat of yellow and gold. For it's fun to see all the creatures our rainforests hold. Take me into the rainforest. Take me under the leaves. Lizards and pythons are on the ground. Sloths are hanging from trees upside down. Let me look for a toucan with beak of red, blue, and green. Yes, it's fun to see all the rainforest sights I've seen. Bye, everybody. See you next time. Thank you.